Hi all, welcome to the Mentor Moment series of Shewall. Today I'm very happy to be talking to Ramya Narasimhan. Ramya has over 16 plus years of experience and is currently the senior product manager at Amazon. Previously, she was working with PayPal for over 14 plus years and has been a critical part in launching PayPal in the Indian market. Ramya is quite active in a lot of mentor communities and she's also an active contributor for Shewall. Thanks a lot for joining us today, Ramya. I'm so happy to be talking to you today.
Likewise, I'm so happy to be part of this. Hi.
So, Ramya, we'll quickly jump out of a couple of questions, and I want to start with one of the very, very interesting questions that I have. What is one best compliment that you have received so far? It could be either personally or professionally, or what is something that still you still remember and makes you happy when you think of it?
Okay. So this is one of the moments that I want to share, or I still even think as one of the best compliment that I have got. It's few years back when I was working with PayPal. We had a summit, kind of a two-day conference happening in our head office in San Jose. So there were around like 150 plus people gathered in that conference. And at the end of the 2 day summit, our VP suddenly announced a grand finale competition where he asked us to name every single person in the room. So just to mention, right? So not all of us were from the same place, same department. Also, we had product managers, engineers, we had engineering managers, we had program managers, VPs, directors, everybody gathered in the room, and from different parts of the world, APAC, Europe, and North America, right? So when he told that, he also spotted a couple of us and asked us to name every single person in the room, and luckily I was able to name everybody except one. So I also won an iPad mini for that, and that was the time when it was launched. So it's not about the game or the fun that I'm trying to portray here. The important fact that I'm trying to tell here is that actually gave a good platform for me to connect with all those 150 people, though I haven't interacted with them at all in the past, right? So they still remember me because I was the one who was able to name them, and they are still in connection with me even after I moved out of PayPal. I'm still good friends with them. So I think in being in such community and as part of building these type of communities, right, having that connect is very very important. That I think as one of the best compliments.
Yeah, so true, so true. I think once we know somebody's name itself, it gives a connection with them, right? And yeah,
Exactly.
awesome. And I'm so happy that you had an awesome memory. Congratulations for that. So,
Thank you.
and I'm also surprised you were able to remember, the last event that we attended a couple of months back. That again, I'm so surprised. Thanks for doing that as well. So, moving on to the next
Sure.
question. So, you've been part of PayPal and probably you've been working in fintech for more than 14 years, right? So, what is
Yep.
one big advancement or development you think is there in fintech that has been, that has been made in the last few years, and you're very intrigued about it?
Okay. So in fintech, I would say there is lot of innovations. There is lot of innovations, especially coming out from the emerging markets more than the advanced markets, I would say. Because take for example, right, UPI is something that is born and that is booming across the world, and that is born in India, right? So that's an open banking system which everyone is now appreciating, trying to actually adopt to. So that's one thing in fintech that I have seen as completely advanced from the days I started my career in the product management. But generally talking on product management itself, also I would say that the path of the domain as a product owner or the product management has evolved so much. Earlier, when we used to develop a product or when we used to launch a product, all that would see is the competitive analysis and the customer adoption. Mostly, we would build a product for a particular customer or a particular customer segment, right? But now it is all data driven. I would say that's one of the biggest advancement that has happened, both in terms of fintech and as well as in terms of product management, where we all are evolving into a data driven world. Everything is behind data today.
Right, right.
So that's the biggest advancement that I'm noticing.
Okay, and since you mentioned product management, I think when you actually started off with product management, I think that was not even such a prominent role, right? Today, everybody's talking about product management and it's gained so much
Exactly.
momentum, right? Yeah, so true.
And data, like I said, data driven and being knowing about data and analytics has become a critical part of
Sure.
product management
Mm-hmm.
to get that technical knowledge.
Yeah, yeah, so true, so true. Now, okay, next question. I think I already know the answer. One quality that makes you stand out in a crowd. Now, my answer will be memory there already. What would you add to that?
Yeah, memory is one thing, but definitely I would also like to add the perseverance. So there is always perseverance as a product manager or anyone as a woman generally. We all need that perseverance to be able to stand out in a crowd and also be able to emerge as a leader in a community, be it in a career or even in personal life. We all need to have that perseverance because nothing comes out for free or immediate in this world. So we need to go through that path of or the road of that success, road of the difficulty or challenges to actually reach the success. And so perseverance is very, very important. And I also strongly believe that perseverance actually adds on or adds up the value of being influential to yourself. So you can be influential and influence others if you are very if you have the quality of perseverance. So I think perseverance. I'm very very persive. I am very very persive person because if you see, even you spoke about the India launch, right, for PayPal. I've also told about this. So PayPal tried to launch India few times already in Indian market, but for several other reasons, business reasons, company reasons, org reasons, we were not able to do it earlier. But and all the times I was a product manager. I didn't give up. I was just going behind it, and I was so successful in launching India
Awesome.
finally.
Awesome. I think perseverance is such a keyword because even a lot of times when I start something new and when after the starting will be very energetic, but then as you go down, you'll automatically feel very dull. But I keep telling myself you have to
Yeah,
have the perseverance, otherwise you will not be. I so agree with your point there.
yeah.
And yeah, so like mentioned, right? You have a extensive career, and I'm sure you would have faced a lot of barriers in terms of your career. Like for the point that you mentioned, where you want to launch PayPal in India, there were a lot of hindrances there, right? So what are the kind of barriers you faced in your career, and how did you overcome it?
See, I would say I would always say that barrier is not a permanent or permanent thing, right? It is just temporary.
Right.
So I'd like to change barrier as a challenge by itself. So I see problem as a challenge, barrier as a challenge, right? So there are a lot of challenges, right from how you evolve or how you project yourself in a crowd. Especially being in a group of product manager. And when I started my career, I can imagine in some of the crowds in the meetings when I were attending for product management, I was the only woman, and I was able to stand out of the crowd. I won't say it's a career, or, sorry, I won't say it's a barrier or it's a challenge that I want to prove myself and overcome out of it, right? And the other barrier that we all face day to day, which we have to overcome, is the balance between the personal life and the professional life. So when I say personal, it's not just family, right? It's also several other factors. It's the environmental circumstances that you have to get out of, as well as balance your professional life. If you have the aspiration, then those are the barriers that is still there even as part of my life, right? I have two kids. I live in a joint family. I have a very big family. So I have to manage my family situations. I have to manage all their environmental situations, and also at the same time balance the professional.
Right, right. So true. Ramya, in your overall career, I'm sure there might have been a lot of lessons learned for you, right? Do you want to highlight one lesson learned that is a takeaway for people who are watching this video?
Sure. So one thing I always tell one thing that I got from my mentors, as well as I tell in my mentorship programs wherever I have, right? So the most important thing is don't get carried away. Whatever is happening today, let it be success or failure or challenges or barriers, whatever we spoke now, it's all just part of the moment, right? So one thing that I always think and the lesson learned and also that I carry even today is don't get carried away with the success or the failure. Just go on with the moment, and then the success follows you wherever you go.
So true, Ramya. I have one last question I want to ask you. Now, she was being a mentorship program. What is your view on mentorship? And any personal advice that you got from your mentors that you still carry on that you would like to highlight?
So I would always say that a mentorship program by itself is very, very important to everyone in their career. Let it be in their uh, initial phase of their career or their experience, even at their senior leadership level. Even today, I have my mentor in Amazon. Even after I moved on to Amazon, I have my mentor because this is a world where we have to keep learning, and our mentors are the best ones who actually help us do it, right? So, mentorship is always very, very important where we can learn a lot of things. And one thing that I always cherish about having these kind of mentorship programs is you just imagine, right? 16 years back when I have to get into this product management role, I did not have a mentor, and like you mentioned earlier, right? There was no clarity about what product management was, what is a PO, what is a PM,
Mm,
who is a BA, right?
mm,
So there was no clarity. And also, being a woman, we have to, how are we managing time? How are we managing personal and professional life? So there are several challenges, maybe something that we cannot even discuss with our friends or family, but something that we can trust and talk to our mentors. Even today, I have my mentors from PayPal who are also talking to me and still mentoring. So I feel lucky to be a mentee who is still learning from them, and I think mentorship gives the best platform to many aspiring people in any field, let it be product management or engineering, right? So that's the best platform that they could get to come up in their career.
so true, so true. I think these kind of mentorship platforms actually gives access to a lot of people whom you would not be able to talk otherwise, also, right? Like for example, now I'm talking to you. Probably I don't, I'm not sure if I would have got the chance to talk to you and a lot of other awesome people that have been talking to you as part of the mentor moment series. But yeah, I think it gives an awesome platform to connect to a lot of different people from a lot of different fronts. And that's the specialty about these kind of mentorship platforms. And for all who are watching this video, so Ramya is going to be part of our next upcoming speed mentoring session. So if you want to be talking to Ramya and all the other awesome mentors that we have, so stay tuned for more updates on that. And thank you so much, Ramya. It was such a pleasure talking to you, and it was so insightful, and you gave us a lot of information in such a short time. It was great talking to you.
Thank you so much for the opportunity, and I'm so glad to be part of this.
Thank you, Ramya. Thank you so much. Bye bye.